The world has gone mad about ficus. Ficus elastica, Ficus benjamina, Ficus Audrey, a little bit of Monica. No Monica, but a little bit of Audrey. This is called Ficus Audrey. In fact, they've got beautiful names. This one over here is benjamina. We've got Tanya over there, but don't really get all stressed out about the names. All you got to know is, do you love it or not? And the whole recent upsurge and movement and trend towards anything with big leaves has brought these beautiful plants right into our homes. It grows incredibly fast if released into the natural environment. However, if you live in an area with frost, it will die. So most important tip is keep them in the pots. They need a well-lit area and don't overwater them. The main reason why these guys start dropping their leaves, maybe the leaves start going brown on the edges, is because of overwatering. One of the most important things to remember when watering your indoor plants, and that's anything, never mind your gorgeous, sexy ficus, is rather to remove it from what we call its pot cover. Because we have these, we can have a basket, we could have a beautiful, sexy pot cover, anything really that just gives us that outer look. Rather take it out, folks. Give it a good watering, and you're going to do that once every 7 to 10 days. Once it's drained, then you take it and put it back inside its container and put it back where it belongs. With all plants, it's important, especially with your indoor plants, to give them a good feeding. So find a liquid fertilizer and follow the instructions, and you'd give it a good feeding as you're watering it. And finally, probably one of the most important things is cleaning the leaves. Now, our environment is filled with dust from sweeping, just in the air, and pollution. So, once a month, or whenever you have the feeling, if you don't get the feeling, find it. And what I want you to do is just take a very soft cloth, wet it a little bit, and then take the leaf, and you're going to see, it looks clean, but it's quite amazing once you do that. Look at that. Look at the dirt that comes off. And that stops your plant from growing because it builds up and it covers up the spores, and that just doesn't make life good. You can imagine layers of dirt on you. So just simply do that, and it's a really good hygienic way that you can keep your plant beautiful and healthy, and make sure that it keeps on going. What I do love about these ficus is this over here. Look at that there. So that is actually a sheath that you'll see on all the new ones as they start growing. That's a sheath that covers the leaf. It's a protective mechanism. And as the leaf then starts emerging, this actually falls off. You see that? Look. Do you see that? That comes off. And so if you look in your plants, oh, here's one. There we go. You'll actually see the dried sheaths that have just fallen off. So don't get too stressed out if this part falls off your plant. It's not dying. It's quite normal. Plants come and go, and fashions come and go. But these plants are going to be around for a long time because they're incredibly sexy.